Looking to level up your kitchen in 2026? You're in the right place. Today, we're counting down the top 20 kitchen gadgets on Amazon that every modern kitchen needs. From clever, time-saving tools to futuristic gadgets you didn't even know existed, these affordable finds will completely upgrade your cooking game. Stick around, because by the end, you'll be ready to transform your kitchen into a chef's dream. Number 1. Cosori 6 quarts 9-in-1 Air Fryer. The Cosori 6 quarts 9-in-1 Air Fryer delivers crispy, healthy meals with minimal oil. Its multiple cooking presets allow frying, roasting, baking, and more. While the 6-quart capacity handles family-sized portions, the non-stick basket ensures easy cleanup, and the digital controls make cooking simple and precise. Affordable yet premium feeling, this air fryer is perfect for home cooks seeking convenience, versatility, and professional quality results for delicious, guilt-free meals every day. Number 2. Magic Mill 7 Tray Food Dehydrator. The Magic Mill 7 Tray Food Dehydrator makes drying fruits, vegetables, and meats easy and efficient. Its multiple trays allow large batches, while adjustable temperature controls provide precise dehydration for optimal flavor and texture. Compact yet durable, it's easy to clean and store. Affordable yet premium feeling, this dehydrator is perfect for home cooks and snack lovers who want to prepare healthy, homemade treats with consistent, professional quality results. Number 3. Ninja Crispi 4-in-1 Glass Air Fryer. The Ninja Crispi 4-in-1 Glass Air Fryer combines air frying, roasting, baking, and dehydrating in one compact appliance. Its clear glass design allows you to monitor cooking progress, while precise temperature controls ensure even results. Easy to clean and energy efficient, it's perfect for versatile meal prep. Affordable yet premium feeling, this air fryer is ideal for home cooks who want a stylish, multifunctional, and high-performance kitchen appliance. Number 4. Fullstar Pro Vegetable Chopper. The Fullstar Pro Vegetable Chopper simplifies meal prep with multiple functions including chopping, dicing, slicing, and spiralizing. Its sharp, durable blades handle vegetables, fruits, and nuts efficiently, while the container keeps counters clean. Compact, easy to assemble, and simple to clean, it saves time in the kitchen. Affordable yet premium feeling. So this chopper is perfect for home cooks who want convenience, efficiency, and professional quality results for quick, fresh meals every day. Number 5. OXO 6-quart Salad Spinner. The OXO 6-quart Salad Spinner makes washing and drying greens fast and effortless. Its ergonomic pump ensures smooth spinning, while the durable basket holds large quantities for family meals. The non-slip base provides stability, and the easy-to-clean components save time. Affordable yet premium feeling, this spinner is perfect for home cooks seeking crisp, fresh salads with minimal effort and consistent, professional quality results every time. Number 6. Joseph Nest Lock Container Set. The Joseph Nest Lock Container Set provides airtight, space-saving storage for pantry staples, leftovers, or dry goods. Its modular design nests neatly for storage, while the secure lids keep food fresh and prevent spills. Durable and easy to clean, it enhances kitchen organization. Affordable yet premium feeling, this container set is perfect for home cooks who want stylish, practical, and efficient storage solutions that keep ingredients fresh and accessible. Number 7. Nutribullet 1200 watts blender combo. The Nutribullet 1200 watts blender combo powers through fruits, vegetables, and ice for smoothies, sauces, and more. Its high-performance motor and durable cups provide consistent blending with professional results. Easy to use and clean, it saves time while preparing healthy meals. Affordable yet premium feeling, this blender is perfect for home cooks who want convenience, efficiency, and high-quality results in every blended creation. Number 8. Instant Pot Duo 8-quart 7-in-1. The Instant Pot Duo 8-quart 7-in-1 combines pressure cooking, slow cooking, sautéing, steaming, and more in one compact appliance. Its programmable settings allow precise cooking for soups, stews, rice, and more. The stainless steel pot is durable and easy to clean. Affordable yet premium feeling, this Instant Pot is perfect for home cooks who want versatile, convenient, and professional quality meal prep with minimal effort. Number 9. Kitchenaid Go Cordless Chopper. The Kitchenaid Go Cordless Chopper makes chopping vegetables, nuts, and herbs quick and effortless. Its cordless design allows flexible use anywhere in the kitchen, while sharp stainless steel blades ensure consistent results. Compact and easy to clean, it saves time during prep. Affordable yet premium feeling, this chopper is perfect for home cooks who want convenience, efficiency, and professional quality performance in a stylish, portable kitchen tool. Number 10. Thermopro Digital Meat Thermometer. The Thermopro Digital Meat meat thermometer delivers fast, accurate readings for perfectly cooked meats every time. Its waterproof probe, backlit display, and calibration feature ensure precision and reliability. Compact and easy to store, it's perfect for grilling, roasting, or baking. Affordable yet premium feeling. This thermometer is ideal for home chefs who want restaurant-quality results, ensuring safe, juicy, and flavorful meals with minimal guesswork. Number 11. Mueller Vegetable Chopper. The Mueller Vegetable Chopper makes meal prep fast and easy by slicing, dicing, and chopping vegetables efficiently. Sharp stainless steel blades handle everything from onions to peppers, while the container keeps counters clean. Compact, easy to assemble, and simple to clean, it saves time and effort in the kitchen. Affordable yet premium feeling, this chopper is perfect for home cooks seeking convenience, efficiency, and professional quality results for fresh, homemade meals. Number 12. Chef Preserve Vacuum Sealer. The Chef Preserve Vacuum Sealer keeps food fresh longer by removing air and sealing bags tightly. Its durable construction and easy-to-use design make preserving meats, vegetables, and leftovers effortless. Compact and reliable, it reduces waste while saving storage space. Affordable yet premium feeling, this vacuum sealer is ideal for home cooks who want convenience, efficiency, and professional quality food preservation at an affordable price. Number 13. Amazon Basics Electric Kettle. The Amazon Basics electric kettle boils water quickly and safely with its stainless steel heating element and automatic shut-off feature. Its ergonomic handle and compact design make it easy to use and store, while the sleek finish adds a premium look to any kitchen. Affordable yet high quality, this kettle is perfect for home cooks who want convenience, speed, and professional quality performance for tea, coffee, or instant meals. Number 14. Cuisinart Burr Coffee Grinder. The Cuisinart Burr coffee grinder provides consistent, evenly ground coffee for perfect brewing every time. Its adjustable grind settings allow customization for espresso, drip, or French press, while durable construction ensures long-lasting use. Affordable yet premium feeling, this grinder is ideal for coffee lovers and home baristas who want convenience, precision, and professional quality results in every cup. Number 15. Royal Craft Wood Bamboo Drawer Organizer. The Royal Craft Wood Bamboo Drawer Organizer keeps utensils, cutlery, and small kitchen tools neatly arranged. Its durable bamboo construction feels premium while maximizing drawer space. Adjustable compartments provide flexibility, and the sleek design adds elegance to any kitchen. Affordable yet high quality, this organizer is perfect for home cooks seeking convenience, style, and efficient, clutter-free kitchen storage. Number 16. Hmmagnets Magnetic Knife Holder. The Hmmagnets magnetic knife holder safely stores knives while saving counter space. Strong magnets hold blades securely, and the sleek design adds a premium touch to your kitchen. Durable and easy to mount, it keeps knives organized and accessible for daily use. Affordable yet high quality, this knife holder is perfect for home chefs who want convenience, efficiency, and stylish, clutter-free knife storage. Number 17. Vtopmart Stackable Pantry Drawers. The Vtopmart Stackable Pantry Drawers maximize cabinet and pantry storage while keeping items visible and accessible. Made from durable, clear plastic, they stack securely and reduce clutter. Lightweight and easy to clean, they simplify kitchen organization and meal prep. Affordable yet premium feeling, these drawers are perfect for home cooks who want functional, space-saving, and stylish storage solutions for a tidy, efficient kitchen. Number 18. Accusharp Knife Sharpener. The Accusharp Knife Sharpener restores dull blades to professional sharpness quickly and safely. Its compact, ergonomic design makes sharpening easy, while the durable tungsten carbide blade ensures long-lasting performance. Affordable yet premium feeling, this sharpener is perfect for home cooks and chefs who want convenient, precise, and safe knife maintenance to enhance cutting efficiency and kitchen safety. Number 19. Kitchen Mama Electric Can Opener. The Kitchen Mama Electric Can Opener opens cans effortlessly with its automatic, hands-free design. Its durable cutting mechanism works on various can sizes, while the ergonomic handle ensures ease of use. Compact and easy to clean, it saves time and reduces hand strain. Affordable yet premium feeling, this can opener is perfect for home cooks seeking convenience, efficiency, and reliable, hassle-free performance in everyday meal prep. Number 20. Crock-pot 6 quarts Programmable Slow Cooker. The Crock-pot 6 quarts Programmable Slow Cooker delivers slow-cooked meals with ease. Its programmable settings allow precise cooking for soups, stews, and roasts, while the removable stoneware pot makes cleanup simple. The 6-quart capacity is perfect for families, and the sleek design adds a premium touch. Affordable yet high quality, this slow cooker is ideal for home cooks who want convenience, versatility, and professional quality results for effortless, flavorful meals. That's our list of the top 20 kitchen gadgets on Amazon in 2026. These modern, innovative tools are perfect for upgrading any kitchen. Which gadget will you try first? Comment below and let us know.